Thank you. That guy behind was going to slow down. Unbelievable. Man, glad I got across there. Holy smokes. That would not have been cool. And it was a young kid. Hello. Coming around your left side. Sorry. All right, another road crossing. Thank you. Wow. Thank you.
Well, this intersection.
Unbelievable. I'm glad I saw him coming because he wasn't going to stop. That guy said it all. He loves that intersection. And that was an older guy. But those 2-lane, 4-lane highways are really dangerous to cross. Because the people in the far lane, they don't know why people are stopping, really. They should know, but they don't. So they just whip around. Can't figure out why somebody's stopping. Oh, look at that rabbit. Hopefully you saw that in the trail. Wow, he smoked the tires too. I think I just went by the asphalt plant. I smell it. No. Yep. Nope. No, it's right up here. Let me slow down. It's a good day to be alive, I'll tell you. Wow. So they plant all these trees so you can't see it, but you can sure smell it. They must make asphalt 12 hours a day. Always busy. Phew, boy, that's really strong today. Ooh. Yeah, just looked at my remote. Looks like we're still videotaping. 29.4 miles today so far. It's a long way. Still not sure which way I'm going home. Do I go the long way, take the trail all the way, or what? Decide when I get there. Well, I'm sure you saw that guy and maybe even heard him squeal his tires trying to stop, but there's no way he was going to stop. Probably going 45, 50. So if I would have kept going, I saw him coming, if I would have kept going, he would have plastered me into the cement. Not a fun thought. Hello? That was a little pit bull. A little family with a baby, taking a little break. Alright, well here we have to be careful. Okay, nobody's coming. Check this road out. Nobody's coming close anyway. Another bathroom. This is that bike repair station. Once again, we must be going uphill. Maximum speed here is 18.2, somewhere around there. The leaves are ground up pretty good here. Mastodon crossing. Not a whole lot of colors left on the trail now, in this area at least. I think I'll take the shorter way home. Getting kind of tired of riding now. We're at 30.8 miles. Still at 3 bars on the battery. I'm at mile marker 7. So we've gone 11 miles on this trail so far. Hello.